first one we're doing is the Best of Show. Best of Show gets this beautiful trophy right here.
You got Megan, right?
And it goes to Sal Garcia. He has a 74 TII. Congratulations, Sal.
You got her? Are you gonna watch her?
Yeah.
I got her so far, yeah.
Why turn it down?
It's not autofocus, Lay.
Yes, it is. If people pass in front, it's going to focus on that, though. So.
And Best Round Light 02 is Lionel Eden.
Woo!
Lionel.
You got Megan? Woo! Mono!
You guys are cleaning up. You won our San Diego thing a few months ago.
That's right.
It's a gorgeous car.
Thanks.
A lot of work left to redo it.
What'd you get, Lay? Number 1? You got first place? I thought it was second place.
And second place goes to Dwayne Lieb for Best
Clap,
Round Light
Max!
02.
Yay!
It's a 72 TII.
Your mom missed that. She'll be so upset.
Okay, I just heard the name. I didn't know what you wanted for.
First place.
And first place for Best Square Light 02 is Milligan.
Look at her.
74 TII.
She missed it. You got it on film, though.
He won first place. Lisa, can you hold her? She's really upset.
Oh, yeah.
And the second place goes to Paul Barina with 74 TII. For Best Square Light 02.
First place is in round light.
In the round light. I'm glad I didn't go to the bathroom.
The Best TII goes to a 72 TII belonging to Bruce Claridge. Bruce?
I'm trying to clap. I gotta clap for the people, like. That was a little late.
Best Engineered goes to a 69 2002 with the original owner, Phil Stewart.
Yeah.
Best Engineered.
My arm's getting tired.
The Chairman's Award goes to Ron Scow for 30,000 original miles, 72 TII. 73, excuse me, 73 TII.
Megan's clapping.
Congratulations.
Actually, I was trying to give you a hug.
Oh, sorry, I'm in the way.
Oh, that's all right. I was trying to give you a hug, not a high five. That's what I was trying to do, is give you a hug. I don't high five you. I've never done that. We do this.
Taking absolutely nothing.
Oh yeah, sorry, I was.
Okay, People's Choice. Number 1 goes to Lionel Eden
Woo!
for 2002. 297,000 miles.
Yay! Make it clap for Daddy!
Best Modified. Best Round Light, excuse me.
Yeah!
Goes to Bruce Claridge for a 72 TII that is green.
Yeah, Lionel!
kinds of good stuff. Best square light, Sal Garcia. These are People's Choice Awards. The people chose these. And the best modified goes to Phil Stewart, People's Choice, 1969.
I'm filming right now.
I know, but I thought he was juicy.
I'll take some.
Yeah, but I don't have any of the shots.
Excuse me.
I thought we were going to be like the other.
The exhibition special award plaques. We have the longest distance traveled to the fest with Bruce Claridge coming from Vancouver, British Columbia. A long way. Most original special award goes to Steve Ferrari for a 71 1600.
Is that the green one? No? Is that the green one?
Best attention to detail. Remember, these are special award plaques. Is Phil Stewart. The 69 2002. Yet another award for Phil. Most original options on a 02 goes to Ron Scow for his TII. Best paint goes to Bruce Claridge.
Oh, the green one?
The 1976-2002 Anniversary Award goes to Paul Howard for a 76. We have Patty and Susie's Award for the best interior, and that goes to Phil Stewart with a truck to haul all of his trophies home.
That's a white one?
Best daily driver goes to Lionel Eden.
Woo!
Rob forgets.
Yay! And the man with the best 2002.
Best engine in the exhibition special award plaque goes to Steve Nelson with a 7502. The top TII award from the TII Register from Bob Murphy in Texas, and this is for the top TII at our event, goes to Sal Garcia. Top TII. Okay, this is the last award. We'd like to thank everybody for coming out. We have the other tech section. And if you are signed up for the second tech session of the day, please stick around for that. The last award is the... Huh? Oh, and the raffle. Forgot about that. You gotta stick around for the raffle too. The Robert Torres Senior Memorial Award, and it's for perseverance, compassion, and peace on earth. And this is a director's award, and it is this year it is awarded to Bruce Claridge. One more award. Congratulations.
What about the Patty and what do you call it award? Who got that?
Thanks again, and if you have raffle tickets, please pull them out because we're gonna start up the raffle.